Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SynFutures token from SynFutures DeFi. Ticker symbol is F. Now I saw this token was getting at least two very big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the SynFutures token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. You can see on that Twitter, they have a full link tree. It'll take you to link3.to/SynFutures_DeFi. Over there, you can find a team section, YouTube video, Discord, trading platform, backers section, Warpcast, 2 different telegrams. We have a Medium articles, Twitter, you name it. You can even connect your wallet to this page here. It says SynFutures is a decentralized perpetual futures protocol that facilitates open and transparent trading on any assets and listings instantly. So this token here, it was just announced as getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting December 6th, this token will be listed on a central exchange called Gate. So one way to get this token, if you're looking to get it, would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol F, and then you would simply just buy the token. Now, it says here on their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, they have a 387,300 Twitter followers. So that is a lot of followers. They even have a little community there you could join with 231 community members. Now that's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more through talking to community members. They also have great telegrams that you could follow for announcements and for community chats. It's all in the link tree there. So it says the #1 decentralized exchange to leverage any asset on the base chain, so Coinbase's blockchain. Full stack on-chain infrastructure powering the future of trading. So in their pinned tweet, it says SynFutures is advancing to the next level of decentralization. We're establishing the SynFutures Foundation and the F token. And then they have a bunch of updates on here. I did see that this token had a pool on BYBIT. Maybe it was a launch pool, but I'm sure this token will be getting listed on BYBIT as well. They're followed by LBANK and BINGX, which are other 2 big central exchanges. As it gets closer to the listing date on December 6th, the TGE, I'm sure you're going to find more listings and central exchange listings pop up, probably all the big ones. And yeah, so it says here there is a F token launch pool. You could stake MNT or USDT and earn a share of 20 million F tokens, and that is in the BYBIT spot F launch pool. So if you have a BYBIT account, you could check that out on there. And yeah, there's going to be all sorts of updates coming up regarding listings. So yeah, it says the top derivatives platform on Base has announced its launch of its foundation and native cryptocurrency. So their Medium articles are going to be a great place to stay updated with what's going on. Now they have different Medium articles like talking about the Oyster Odyssey, the Pearl Press, but then they have a article specifically talking about this token called Introducing SynFutures Foundation and the F token. This is the start of decentralizing SynFutures and transitioning to governance power to the community. SynFutures has completed a crucial step towards decentralization, launching the F token in the foundation. The F token is allocated across the community, backers and advisors, treasury, core contributors, protocol development, and liquidity. Now, the foundation, alongside the F token holders, will collectively drive SynFutures forward in building a decentralized, open, and permissionless financial ecosystem. Apart from voting power, F token holders can enjoy fee discounts, staking rewards, and a boost for future airdrops. Season 1 details and token generation dates will be announced soon. So they already have the listing starting to pop up for December 6th, so we already know the TGE there. So it says, in the early 2020s, DeFi was still a nascent technology. It had less than $1 billion in total value locked for the better half of the year. As DeFi eventually grew, piggybacking off the tech of early protocols like Curve, Uniswap, and Aave, the world realized the significance of decentralizing finance and the power that it gave the people. The potential impact that DeFi promises is what led to the inception of SynFutures protocol. SynFutures V1 went live in 2021, aiming to lower entry barrier in global finance and create an open permissionless derivatives market. In the last 3 years, SynFutures has come a long way in building a resilient, decentralized protocol, a comprehensive full-stack financial infrastructure, and a community that believes in the vision and mission. For SynFutures to truly remain community-centric and permissionless, it is crucial to progressively make the protocol community-governed. And that's why decentralizing SynFutures has been the roadmap since day one. After years of building, SynFutures has finally completed 2 crucial steps towards decentralization, the foundation and the F token. Now, the F token accords the SynFutures community the opportunity to participate in the governance of SynFutures, and together with the foundation can shape the ecosystem's future. So you can learn more about this by checking out basically all the links on that full link tree right there on the Twitter. You're going to find this token listed on Gate, most likely BYBIT, LBANK, BINGX, and a whole bunch of other big central exchanges coming up. So stay tuned. Follow the Twitter for all the announcements. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.